Okay. Can you read today? What are we going to do? Okay. Possibility of? What do you mean by harmony?
Harmony meaning peace, tolerance.
Wow. Peace. Thank you. Peace and tolerance. Beautiful word. किसी को tolerance का मतलब पता है?
So to control feelings or emotions.
I'll come to you. What? Anybody else?
So tolerance means to suppose someone has done a mistake, so we will forgive them.
Maraj? Yes, Maraj? Maraj, class is getting recorded. Can I call you? Yes. Hello. Yes. Can you please repeat once again? Hello, ma'am. What is tolerance? Tolerance means?
Tolerance means patience.
Patience. Please take the mic and quickly say.
Controlling anger and sadness.
Controlling our emotions. अगर सैड हो किसी कारण से कंट्रोल करने से शांति मिलती है?
सर
मिल जाएगी? Ignore. See, we will come to these ideas very quickly. Can you read this word? Do you know the difference between accepting and tolerating? Is there a difference? I'll come to you. Anybody else? Acceptance versus tolerance. किसी चीज को एक्सेप्ट कर लेना और किसी चीज को सहना. टॉलरेट करना मतलब क्या? कंट्रोल. इग्नोर कैसे? एक्सेप्ट करने से इग्नोर कर सकते हैं? Is acceptance better or tolerance better? How do I accept?
Sir, you accept, like, say you're against something, but if it has to be done, you have to accept that you have to control your feelings against it and all that.
Acceptance against the thought is coming, we have to control. हमेशा कंट्रोल करते करते खुशी मिलती है ना, फट जाता है. It bursts out, you agree? It does. We are all humans, you agree? But acceptance is something different from tolerating and ignoring and controlling ourselves. You agree? हम जनरली कुछ होता है तो उसको टॉलरेट सहने की कोशिश करते. यू एग्री? बट समथिंग वी विल ट्राई टू डिस्कवर फ्रॉम दिस एग्जाम्पल. यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल में कौन है? हु इज दिस पर्सन? ही लिव्स इन हार्मनी नॉट बाय टॉलरेटिंग बट बाय. हम 3 एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे उसके लाइफ से कि वो एक्सेप्ट कैसे कर रहा है. एंड यू विल गोइंग टू टेल मी. Who is going to read the first one? Family में my question. ये पढ़ोगे and tell me किस तरीके से वो accept कर रहा है. A new hand please. I'll come to you both. A new hand who has not spoken. Quickly. You have a very short class. Quickly. You want to say? Okay, say, read. You have understood the question? What is the question? How is Mohan accepting?
By following what.
Can you read it first? Read first.
He accepts that his grandparents have different likes and dislikes from him. He shares with them about his modern ways and learns from them about their traditional ways.
Can you tell me the question's answer? How is he accepting?
he is accepting by following the thing he does not like, but his grandparents want.
Oh, he does not like, but
His grandparents want to.
wonderful. Anybody else? How is he accepting? And then, lady at the back, I'll ask you. How is he accepting? How is he accepting?
Sir, he is accepting by living in that country that his grandfather and grandmother knows the traditional ways and teaching them also by the modern ways.
How does teaching and understanding their thoughts and culture help in acceptance? Question to you. Suppose she is your friend. She knows something and you don't know. Suppose you ask from her. Do you think harmony will increase? Your पुराने गिले शिकवे थोड़े कम होंगे? टॉलरेट करने की जरूरत होगी? और वो भी आपसे सीखती है तो क्या होगा? यहाँ पे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के लाइक्स एंड डिसलाइक्स अलग है, राइट? व्हाट्स ही डूइंग विथ हिज ग्रैंडमदर? सो हार्मनी बढ़ेगा, यहाँ पे भी बढ़ेगा. हम लोकेलिटी में आते हैं. कौन पढ़ेगा लोकेलिटी वाला? यस, a new hand.
His neighborhood belong to different.
His
His neighbors
हाँ,
belong to different regions and states. He respects their beliefs and they take part in each other's celebrations.
read once again.
His neighbors belong to different religions and states. He
Full stop, there's a full stop, then read. ठीक है?
He respects their beliefs and they take part in each other's celebrations.
What will happen if I have a friend from a different state, different religion? If I invite him to my celebration, to my party, will harmony increase? Will that be tolerating or will that be something different? It's very magical. Can you understand? Just sharing. Understand? But is it foolproof? अगर उसने तुमको इनवाइट नहीं किया तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना. Practically many things are there, but you can take a step. Agreed? In his college mates are from different parts of the country, different language, different food habits, dressing. He has made many friends and is happy to learn there. अगर मैं अपने दोस्तों के कस्टम्स या फूड हैबिट्स, कल्चरल डिफरेंसेस के बारे में जानूं, पूछूं, अपने शेयर करूं, तो वो जो एक अलग सा इंसान है जो मुझे टॉलरेट करना पड़ रहा है, क्या वहाँ पे मेरा क्या कहते हैं, एक्सेप्टेंस की भावना ज्यादा होगी ना कम होगी? Is it coming out of tolerance? Have you found one simple way of accepting? What is that? हाँ, please tell. Who is telling?
By learning other culture and customs.
Simple enough. दूसरों से कम्युनिकेट करके. Agreed? कम्युनिकेशन से लर्न होगा दूसरी चीजें और एक्सेप्टेंस बढ़ेगी. वो पुराने हेट्रेड एंड वो सब फट से गायब होएगा. एग्रीड? ऑल राइट, लेट अस सी हार्मनी के लिए एक दूसरा टेक्निक है क्या. किरण लिव्स इन हार्मनी बाय शोइंग रेस्पेक्ट टू एनी पर्सन. यहाँ पे टीचर्स के साथ किरण क्या कह रही है? Read. Anybody one? You read.
Good morning, ma'am. Shall I carry your books for you, ma'am?
Is she respectful? Yes, sir. School cleaners को क्या कह रही है? You read.
morning, shall I continue move the bucket so that it doesn't come people's way?
Is she respectful to the cleaner? Do you think giving respect will increase harmony? पहला टेक्निक क्या था? एक्सेप्ट करना, लर्निंग, कम्युनिकेटिंग. सेकंड टेक्निक क्या देख रहे हैं? सिंपल रिस्पेक्ट. कुछ ज्यादा है किरण का? यंगर ब्रदर को कह रही है, रोहन, आई एम रियली टायर्ड एंड थर्स्टी, कैन यू प्लीज ब्रिंग मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. इस तरीके से यंगर भाई को अगर बोलेगी तो रेस्पेक्टफुल लग रहा है. क्या इससे हार्मनी बढ़ने की संभावना है? यू रेड पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ लिविंग इन हार्मनी. डिड यू रीड दैट? पॉसिबिलिटी है. 100% हो सकता है नहीं, पर पॉसिबिलिटी तो है. एल्डरली स्ट्रेंजर हु इज क्रॉसिंग द रोड, अंकल डोंट वरी, टेक योर टाइम. स्ट्रेंजर को अगर ऐसा बोल रही है तो हार्मनी बढ़ेगा. स्ट्रेंजर को, बूढ़े अंकल को क्या फील होगा? सो सम यंग पर्सन इज गिविंग मी रेस्पेक्ट. क्या होगा? तो वो उनके अंदर जो गुस्सा या फ्रस्ट्रेशन था वो उस टाइम के लिए कम होगा. हाँ, जैसे रिपल्स आती है, वो रिपल की तरह आगे जाएगा. यू अंडरस्टैंड? ऑल राइट. बट अनलाइक किरण, हु इज दिस लेडी? सुमन एक बच्ची है. टीचर्स को क्या कह रही है? एक आदमी पढ़ो. हाँ, प्लीज टेल. गेट अप, टेक द माइक. थैंक यू.
Good morning, ma'am. Shall I carry your books for you, ma'am?
Is she respectful?
Yes.
Read the next one and tell me, is she respectful? Can you come? आ जाओ quickly. Go up and read. स्कूल क्लीनर्स को जो बोल रही है, इज इट रेस्पेक्टफुल? रीड फॉर एवरीवन.
Hey, you move your dirty bucket from here. It is blocking our way.
बॉडी लैंग्वेज कैसा है? इससे हार्मनी बढ़ेगा. अगर मैं ऐसा करूं तो क्या होगा? हार्मनी बढ़ेगा. Read the third one.
If you can walk fast, please move out of the way.
If you can't walk fast, please move out of the way. Is it respectful? Respect नहीं दे रही है तो हार्मनी बढ़ जाएगा, डिसहार्मनी आएगा. Give to the other one. हाँ, anybody quickly. यंगर ब्रदर को क्या कह रही है?
You are younger, so you have to do what I tell you. Go get me a glass of water.
For whatever reason she might be telling, but इससे हार्मनी बढ़ेगा. Anger and intolerance will grow. Beautiful. Let us see one more way. Can you see what is this? क्या कर रहा है वो? Showing concern. Can you understand what is concern? यहां पे एक सिंपल सा स्टोरी है. ग्रैंडफादर घर पे है. What is he doing? Is he showing concern? मुझे परवाह ही नहीं, अरे वो बड़े हैं, उनको देखने दो, मैं अपना फोकस करूंगा स्टडीज पे, अपने खेल पे. तो इससे हार्मनी बढ़ेगा. बट इफ आई जस्ट टेक अ स्मॉल स्टेप, स्ट्रेंजर हो, फैमिली हो, फ्रेंड हो, दो ब्रदर हो, यहां पे जब ब्रदर का बेस्ट फ्रेंड, प्रीतम्स ब्रदर्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड लेफ्ट द सिटी. प्रीतम का बेस्ट फ्रेंड नहीं, किसका बेस्ट फ्रेंड? प्रीतम के भाई का. तो भाई का अगर बेस्ट फ्रेंड शहर छोड़ के जाता है तो भाई को कैसा लग रहा होगा? प्रीतम को तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. प्रीतम को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. बट व्हाट इज ही डूइंग? ही इज शोइंग कंसर्न टू हिज ब्रदर. क्या इससे हार्मनी बढ़ेगी? पुराने एंगर, फ्रस्ट्रेशन कम हो जाएंगे? कैन वी आइडेंटिफाई सच अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन आवर लाइफ? Very easy, right? Yes.
Pritam will slowly, Pritam's brother will slowly become happy because his brother is spending time with him. If his friend is not with him.
Will Pritam's possibility of living in harmony increase? ब्रदर को जो हो ना हो, पर प्रीतम का तो होगा, राइट? वेरी सिंपल टेक्निक, सिंपली शोइंग कंसर्न. वो मेरे भाई तो उसने मुझे नहीं पेंसिल गिफ्ट किया था, मैं कंसर्न नहीं हूं. ऐसा हम करते हैं नॉर्मली. बट अगर एक हाथ बढ़ाया तो बदल सकता है चीज, पॉसिबिलिटी बढ़ सकती है. ऑल राइट, ये सब अगर हम बचपन से हैबिट डेवलप करें, बड़े होके हमें और आसानी होगी? या 10 साल बाद हैबिट्स चेंज कर पाओगे इतनी इजीली? अभी इजी है ना? यू वांट टू से समथिंग? ऑल राइट, वी विल सी वन मोर मेथड. शेयरिंग द रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी of the community she is part of. जीशा एक कॉलेज स्टूडेंट है. घर पे आके मम्मी की क्या कर रही है, क्या मदद कर रही है? अगर मैं घर पे आके मदर फादर का थोड़ा हेल्प करता हूं तो घर पे कैसा फीलिंग आएगा? Is it possible for all of us to do such things?
Yes, sir.
We can try. It may be difficult. मम्मी डांट दे, तुम अच्छे से नहीं कर सकती. It will, because since we have self-confidence, we can try. Wonderful. Now, we will see Ma'am, how much time is there? 5 minutes more. Okay. You want to do a quiz? Quick quiz? All right. I'm going to invite 2 students on stage. Can you come? One from that side and one from this side. Quickly. 2 people come. You decide who wants to come up. So, I'll count till 3. 1, 2, 3. But, okay, you all want to stay here? So, what I'm going to do, there are 11 questions. I'm going to ask, sit, please sit. I'm going to start from here. You please go that side, all of you, let people see. Okay? All right. What's your name? Anvi. Read question number 1. Ask your classmates the answer and pass on the mic to the other one. Can you do that? I'll sit comfortably below. Can you take charge? Come up, 2 left.
Be so selfish and not care for others.
1 second. Can you all come this side? Come 2.
Session 6 is over. Will be over or next year. Will
No, won't come.
What's the other classes?
How can you be so selfish and not care for others?
Quickly answer. अगर ये वाला थॉट आए, हाउ कैन यू बी सेल्फिश एंड नॉट केयर फॉर अदर्स, ये टाइप का लैंग्वेज हार्मनी बढ़ाएगा या डिसहार्मनी? Why harmony? What do you think? Why disharmony? Take the mic.
Because very rude to say to someone.
Do you agree? It is rude. Why is it? Can you tell me why is it rude? Please take the mic and say. Because
Because she is speaking to someone like in a rude voice. And
fine. Take the next one. Thank you so much. Quickly. We have 2-3 minutes more.
Tell me your problem. Let me understand it.
Ask why. Harmony and why. Pass on the mic. Ask why.
Why?
Why? Quickly. If you can't, give the mic because we can't finish all. Give the mic.
So because we are trying to understand someone's problem. And help.
Wonderful. Next one, please. Bell rings.
This ritual is so different from what we do. Let me find out what its meaning is for those who practice it.
Why? First, let us ask that person. Give the mic. Why do you think it is harmony or do you think it is not? This ritual is different from what we do. Please go a little back. Let me find out इसका मतलब क्या है.
Number 7.
You have to focus here. Is the third question understood? What is it? Harmony, disharmony?
Sir, harmony.
Why?
Sir, because it is encouraging us to do new rituals.
Is this harmony? Then what can we do? Respect others. If I show concern कि अच्छा वो बोल रहा है एक बार चुप हो जाऊं, हार्मनी बढ़ेगा. दुनिया नहीं सुधरना है. अगर मैं खुद पे फोकस करना स्टार्ट करूं, तुम्हें देख के लोग सीख सकते हैं. एग्री करते हो? Now who will take the next one? Go.
She was so mean to me. Then why should I be kind to her? Will this lead to harmony or disharmony?
Why? One more question because bell has rung. Anything you decide which one you want to take.
It is impossible to live together with people who have such different views. It will lead to harmony or disharmony.
This question, the last question. Read once again. See? So he is taking a step. He is asking all his friends to come down so that others can see. Wonderful. Sixth question once again. Yeah?
It is impossible to live together with people who have such different views.
Why don't you ask somebody new? What does he think?
What do you think?
This one. It is impossible to live together. Tell me.
Sir, I think so disharmony.
Why? Why? Yes, give the mic. Six. He wants to answer.
Because they have different lifestyles.
So, it is impossible to live with people. तुम ऐसा बोल रहे हो, ये बहुत ही impossible है, मैं तो नहीं रह सकता. क्या ये हार्मनी बढ़ाएगा? डिसहार्मनी बढ़ाएगा? Why?
Sir, because whoever is speaking this is showing that he doesn't want to learn. He doesn't want to mix with the other religion. So he wants to increase harmony.
He is telling it is impossible. Doors are shut. Thank you. Keep the mic there. Please come down. Thank you, everyone.